Hi everyone, and welcome to our third module. This module is on expressions and interactivity, which just means a little bit more about calculations and assignment statements and interactivity, getting information from the user. And we're also going to be doing some work on formatting output. So this is the video that you're watching right now. As always, we have our module at a glance, and you can read that. It tells you what to expect in this module and what the learning outcomes are for this module. So next will be our lecture and assignment, same format as the previous module. I have broken the Revel textbook assignments into two. So we have assignment 3A, which will be due on October 5th. So that'll be the Revel October 5th assignment. And the second part will be the Revel October 6th assignment. I did revise the course schedule to show not only the October 5th date, but an October 6th date as well. So, same thing as before, go to your learning modules and then click on our textbook, and you'll see those two assignments in there that you can start to work through. We had a lot of issues in the chapter 2. There's fewer issues in chapter 3. So I have highlighted any issues right within the textbook activity as you move through. If you see a highlight, click on it and read my message. In addition, I put some, I listed the issues, the known issues here as well. So you have that in two different places. And again, as you work through the textbook, you should be watching these videos as well. So after you complete chapter 3, section 4, you should be watching this video. After section 5, this video. I have 3 videos on formatting output, and etc., etc. So make sure that you're watching these videos in addition to the Revel textbook. Okay, we have our discussion question. It's pretty straightforward. It'll be following the rules of Blackboard. Just like our previous discussion, this one will have to do with error messages. Let me just open it up for a minute. You're going to be posting error messages. Just make sure if somebody already posted the same message, please don't post it again. Okay. And you are responsible for not only a post, but responding for another student. Okay, then we move into our project. Let me go back. On the project folder itself, it says, if you have a question, email me and attach your CPP file. Okay, that's the process if you have a question. So please note that, right? Don't submit a non-working project, put a comment in the box. I don't see them until I'm grading projects. So in the Project 3 folder, you're going to find a few things. First of all, I have the policy on plagiarism and copying work. Make sure that you read that. Just like in the previous project, I have created a sample program for you. It's not the same as the project. It's a little easier than the project, but it does involve user input, calculations, formatting output, using a constant. Those are all things you're required to do in the current project. So go ahead and watch the video, and I have attached the program design document and the sample program that are shown in the video. It gets really tricky when you're inputting both numeric data and strings. So watch this video before you work on the project, or you're going to have a very hard time with the project. This just shows you what your project should look like when you're done, so you can see me running my project. So maybe just sometimes it helps to see that versus just read the project instructions. And then the project itself, there is a design document template, just like the previous one, which you open up and fill out. And then the instructions for the project are listed right here at this link. So you can read through this. You're going to be submitting 2 files just like on Project 2. If you have any questions at all, let me know, and give yourself a couple days to work on the project so that you can have time to ask me questions if you need to. All right, and then our third quiz, quiz will be open on Tuesday, October 9th and Wednesday, October 10th. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. Let's get started with this activity. It takes a while to work your way through this information, so don't wait until the last minute, okay?